Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is a makeup haul because you already know me. I like to spend my money on makeup. So I bought a few things from BeautyBay and also a few things from Cult Beauty. And if you guys want to see what I recently purchased, then keep on watching. Okay, so I already opened the box, as you can see, because I wanted to see if I have everything. And I think I'm going to start first with the Cult Beauty. And I only bought 3 items, like 3 makeup items, 60 euros. Wow, insane, right? I know. Anyway. So yeah, I'm going to start with the product that I bought from Cult Beauty. Is expensive, okay? But here I am buying from them. Anyway, so the only reason that I placed the order on Cult Beauty was this Morphe setting spray. I really wanted to have this because today I finished my Makeup Revolution one and I only have the Cover FX one, but that's too dewy. Yeah, so I bought the continuous setting mist. I feel like I cannot talk today. Anyway, from Morphe. This was I don't know exactly the prices, but I think this was 70 or 15 pounds. That means like around 17 euros. And this is how this looks like. It's super hyped on YouTube and I really wanted to have it. I wanted to purchase this from the Morphe website, but it's not available. Oh my god, I feel like I can't talk today. Bear with me, okay? Please. So I'm going to try this on my face, okay? Let's see. It feels like it's empty. Like honestly, it feels like it's empty. I can't hear anything. Anyway, let's see. Wow. I can smell because I'm stuffed. Anyway, let's try this on my face because I really want to try this. Oh yeah, it smells a little bit perfumey, I guess. I don't know. Okay, I'm a little bit scared. I don't know why. Wow, this smells so good even though I'm stuffed. This smells so nice. Wow. And also the mist is super fine. Super fine. No wonder this is so hyped here on YouTube. Anyway, let me see. I was looking for a mirror. The mirror was in front of me. Oh my god, I'm doing amazing. Wow. This looks so nice. Like you don't get like, you know, dots of spray. Next I got a very expensive item. Oh my god, I don't know why did I bought this. I don't know why I'm doing this to myself or to my bank account. Anyway, is this Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Hollywood Flawless Filter. This is also super raved here on YouTube, so I don't know why I bought this. Because I'm poor, you know what I mean? This was 30 pounds and in euro I guess is around 45 euros. I don't know exactly, 42 or so, but this is super expensive. Yeah, I cannot wait to put this on my face because the reviews are insane. This is so gorgeous. And also this says that it acts like a filter, like a blurring filter, makes your skin super flawless. Okay, so right here on the box it says, for a superstar glow, apply 1 all over the face as a flawless filter, 2 on top of foundation if you want extra coverage. I want both, flawless filter and extra coverage. So let me put this on the back of my hand. Let's see if I can smell it. It smells like foundation almost. I don't think I like the doe foot applicator on this. I would probably prefer a pump, but I'm not Charlotte. So, wow, this looks so dewy. Do we see that? Not much on camera. Oh, feels a little bit tacky. Not too much. but it looks so nice. Wow, it's shiny. I don't know if you can see that on camera. Okay, and next from Cult Beauty I got this NYX Glitter Goals liquid eyeshadow. This is in the shade Metropical, I guess. And I really want the Stila Magnificent glitters, but I feel like they are way too expensive for the amount of product you get. You get like 2 milliliters of product. I'm the only one who thinks like that because I'm on the budget here. And I feel like, yes, I did pay £30 for this, but I'm going to get a lot of uses of this, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, I hope I'm not the only one who thinks like that, but that's how my brain works. I don't know why I keep smelling products, because my nose is stuffed. Anyway, so as I said, this is the shade Metropical, I guess. I don't know exactly how to read that. Wow. This is so pretty. On the website, this looked way much lighter, like a champagne rose gold eyeshadow or shade. But this is beautiful. It's not even close to the Stila Magnificent shadows, but this is pretty, and I don't know if you can see, but it has glitters and it's so shiny. And if I turn my hand like that, yeah. Anyway, I really hope this works on my lids, because I have the BH Cosmetics liquid eyeshadows and I don't really use them that much because I feel like you don't get enough coverage. Even though I apply eyeshadow underneath, when I apply this on top, I feel like it still look patchy. So I hope this NYX one doesn't do the same thing as the BH Cosmetics one. They are so pretty, so sparkly, don't get me wrong, but I feel like they are patchy, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so this was £8. I think it's a little bit expensive for NYX, but it's a glitter eyeshadow. So yeah, this is what I got from Cult Beauty. And from BeautyBay I purchased a few items as well. On their frontal page they had something with neon bright colors, and I really want a bright red matte eyeshadow in my collection because I don't have one. And I saw a few options, but the reviews on those eyeshadow palettes didn't convince me. So I got this mini bright matte 9 color palette. This is from the brand BeautyBay, and the reviews are insane on these palettes. I don't have any from them. People seem to love them so much. So as you saw, they came very well wrapped. And this is the bright matte. This was €9, which is very affordable. So the palette is super cute. Like, look at those colors, how beautiful they are. And as you can see, this has a bright matte red eyeshadow. Also, I love the pinks, and also I love that they included a matte white in this palette. Overall, this is so beautiful, and I really hope they perform well, like, you know, the pigmentation, how they blend. But €9 for 9 eyeshadows is like, wow, so beautiful, so nice. Next I got a lipstick that it was on sale. This is from Dose of Colors and is the collaboration with Desi and Katy. This is in the shade A Mauve Story, and this was €10.50. And let's see the color because I haven't opened this. Wow, I really like the packaging. This soft matte. Oh, so nice. Okay, so let's see the shade. So cute. Oh wow, this is so cute. So I don't know if this is a matte or a satin finish or what. It says liquid velvet. I don't know exactly, but the color is so pretty. Wow. Okay, next I got the Anastasia DipBrow Gel because everybody seems to love this, and I don't know exactly if I got my shade. I got the shade Chocolate. I feel like this will be a little bit too reddish undertone for my eyebrows. My eyebrows are a little bit more grayish, dark grayish. Okay, so this was 22 euros, and the packaging is so cute, like so cute. Wow, the spoolie is super fine. Oh my god, look at this. So beautiful, so fine. Let's see the color. Yeah, amazing swatch, right? Okay, I feel like this will match me. It's not that bad. I mean, on the packaging it looks a little bit more reddish. Anyway, I really hope this matches me because 22 euros, wow. And you can build the brows with this one as well. You can use a angled brush and paint the brows and then tame the hairs. So this is amazing. I really hope this works for me. Let me know if you guys want a review on any of the products that I showed you so far. I still have 2 more products to go. And next I got the Jouer Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealer. This was on sale like last year before Black Friday, as I remember, and it was 12 euros. And now I got it for 18 euros. So yeah, I got the shade Wheat, and I really hope this matches me because it's kind of hard to get your right shade, you know. Concealer and foundation buying online is like very hard to get the matching color for your skin tone, and I feel like this is a little bit too light for me. Oh no, I think this will match me. Wow, I nailed it with this one as well. So it says Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealer offers full coverage with hyaluronic acid and resveratrol, I don't know what that is, to achieve a creaseless, soft, matte finish while correcting and smoothing skin imperfection. I want smoothing and correcting, but I don't really want a matte finish because I have matte skin. Anyway, I'll let you guys know how this works for me, but I feel like the color is good. I did good. I'm moving so fast. I feel like this video is super boring because I'm not entertaining, but I don't feel my best, you know what I'm saying? Okay, and last but not least, this is the toning solution from The Ordinary. I wanted to get my hands on this for so long, but it's never available. I found this on BeautyBay. On Cult Beauty it was out of stock, so yeah, this is super loved, and also it's super cheap. I paid 8 euros and 75 cents, and I don't know where I saw this for 6 euros. I don't know where. So this bottle is huge. Anyway, 8 euros 75 is still affordable, and this is a toning solution. The one that I'm using right now is this one from L'Oreal. This smells so good, so delicious. I mean, it doesn't smell delicious, it smells more like clean, but also a little bit delicious, you know what I mean? It smells like roses and jasmine, or rose jasmine. It says rosa and jasmine, I don't know exactly, but I've been using this for about 2 or 3 weeks. You can see that I use this, okay? But wow, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. But I feel like this dries my lids and also my nose area. I don't know exactly if this one does that, but I have a feeling that this one is the one that dries out my lids, especially my lids, because I like to use this around my eyes. But this smells so good, and also the formula is a little bit thick, I don't know. Okay, so the camera cut me right there. I think I was saying how much I wanted to get my hands on this, and I'm so glad that I finally got my hands on this, because honestly I heard a lot of good things about this toning solution. And toning solution, I cannot speak today. So yeah, this is what I recently purchased from, and also this came with a cute cap. Let's see if this came off. Oh yeah, this is great. If I can open this, it's great, you know. Am I doing this wrong, you guys? You don't supposed to open this because it opens like this. You see this little guy? You can't see it right now, you see it? So it goes in there and allows the product to come from here. Wow, science. So this came with this little cup, which is super nice, very helpful. So yeah guys, this is what I recently purchased from BeautyBay and Cult Beauty. Let me know down below, as I said, let me know down below if you want me to do a review on any of the products that I showed you today. And I'm so excited to try the colors. Like that red is calling my name. Yes. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. And if you're curious to see what I used to create this makeup look, just click here. I'm going to link the video right here on the screen for you. Just click and watch and maybe like and subscribe. Why not? Ouch! I hope I don't look orange, yellow, right? I don't know.